Hi, my name is Al. I work with MarineMax in beautiful Cumming, Georgia. Today is a wintry day, a little bit cold, so pardon the overjacket. Today we're looking at a brand new 2020 Sea Ray SPX 21 outboard version powered by a white and colored Mercury 200 horsepower engine. This boat has the new smoke colors. It has an immense amount of storage. It has all the traditional features and quality ride that Sea Ray is known for. Built-in coolers. Because it has no inboard, they make this boat as an inboard as well. All that inboard space is now storage space. So underneath this rear seat, you have cavernous storage. Here we have the cover down there, and we have more storage to one side than the other. Boat has built-in cooler under this seat. Dual bucket seats here, storage under the port side console. This can be used as a glove box. It drains, so if you want to put ice in there and put cold beverages in there, you may as well. Okay, going forward, you have the flip-up bolsters for the seat for both the captain and for the passenger seat. This bolster is nice for people who are vertically challenged. It's also nice if you want to ride high over the windshield, particularly around docks where you have better visibility. Of course, you have the Fusion stereo, all Bluetooth. All your gauges, your hour meter, depth meter, all on your dashboard. Single shifter with trim control here. USB port and 12-volt ports down there for your entertainment and phone charger. You have underdeck storage here for all your water toys. Notice the snap-in sea deck all around. This is really great for maintenance because this can come out. It's easily cleaned, and the deck underneath it is easily cleaned. This boat has a tower with a tow point up top. Also a place for a light up top. Oversized bimini for a tower. Gives you advantages of towboat, but still have an outboard power. Up forward, you've got lots of room for seating. Plenty of space to stretch out for two. Anchor storage in the center. Speakers up forward. Convenient. Notice the grab handles on each side. Convenient too for safety for your bow riding passengers. Of course, you can close your windshield. Boat comes with a full cover and with a trailer. It's a great value. One of the most popular boats Sea Ray makes. Come see us at MarineMax Cumming.